Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Bridge with After Effects. To begin, ensure both Adobe Bridge and After Effects are open on your computer. Navigate to the specific folder containing your desired media assets within Adobe Bridge. Having both applications running simultaneously is crucial for a smooth and efficient workflow, allowing them to communicate effectively. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Once your applications are ready, importing assets is straightforward. Simply select the files you wish to use in Adobe Bridge, then drag and drop them directly into the project panel within After Effects. This method is incredibly intuitive and saves valuable time. Alternatively, you can go to File Import in After Effects and browse your Bridge folders. Both approaches ensure your media is ready for your creative work in just a few clicks. Adobe Bridge significantly enhances your workflow by acting as a powerful asset management tool. Before importing, you can preview various file types, including video, images, and audio, directly within Bridge. This allows for quick selection and organization. Utilize Bridge's robust metadata capabilities to quickly locate specific files using keywords or ratings. It truly serves as a central hub, streamlining the entire process of managing all your creative assets across multiple projects. For the most seamless integration, always keep your asset folders meticulously organized within Bridge. This practice ensures faster access and reduces search time. Regularly clearing Bridge's cache is also a key tip for maintaining optimal performance, especially when dealing with a large volume of files. Furthermore, leverage keywords, labels, and ratings in Bridge to streamline your search process, making your creative journey much more efficient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.